Samika,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
nothing.
Are you hiding something?
No.
Salt. Samika, why do you like salt so much?
Because it is.
How much do you like salt?
I love salt so much that if I could eat a mountain of salt.
Really? Shall I show you mountains of salt?
Yes!
Hi, I'm Sanvi.
Hi, I'm Samika.
And together we are Sanvika. And we like to share. And what are we sharing today?
Salt!
Today we will be visiting a salt factory. We are at Nagarbail Salt Owners Cooperative Society in Sanikatta,
Where the natural salt is produced in a traditional way.
Water is collected from a point where the river Agnashini meets the Arabian Sea. This river flows through rich and thick forests with a number of medicinal plants before it joins the sea. So, the salt produced in this area is brownish in color and is rich in minerals. This is the reservoir where the rainwater is pumped out and the area is dried completely before pumping in the seawater during high tide when its density is 2.5 degrees. And this is done only twice a year.
This is the sluice gate from where the water is let into the condensers from the reservoir. The water slowly moves from one condenser to another. By the time it reaches the last condenser, the density of the water is 17 to 18 degrees. This is called brine.
These are crystallizers. The brine is charged to these crystallizers depending on its width and depth. Here, the artisan is collecting the salt.
Another layer of salt will be formed within 24 hours.
It is just amazing to see how seawater becomes a very important part of cooking. Here, the salt is put on the buns with these smaller and wider instruments.
The instruments used are cleaned and dried.
It is then heaped together and collected by JCBs and taken to storehouses by trucks.
Akka, mountain of salt, come fast!
Are you happy now?
Yes!
JCBs are used to make these salt mountains. These are storehouses.
This is heaping. Packing time.
Potassium iodate is sprayed before packing. Now we will be sealing the packets.
The salt is ready to go into my tummy. Now they're packed and sealed for transport.
As this is a natural method, the quantity of salt produced depends on the time of rainfall and the weather.
It is loaded in the trucks and sold in the market for a very, very reasonable price.
Thank you for taking me to the salt factory. But just looking at the mountains of salt, my stomach is full. I think I cannot eat salt for the next few days. I have to go on salt-free diet. Oh, I got you something. Salt!